Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to find out more about me, feel free to watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video. Now today we are talking about page 7 on the easiest piano course of John Thompson, part 3. I'm going to play for you this exercise in staccato. And 1 and 2 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 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and I know that it sounds almost robotic. It's also a very mechanical way of playing, but it's the first step towards what you will have to definitely be able to do. I'm going to play now again slowly. 1 and 2 and 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 at high speed it will sound. Let's talk immediately about let's go to the song, to Some Folks Do. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and I'm going to play now again slowly. 1 and 2 and 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 if there is any problem, feel free to comment, to ask me, to contact me, and I will be happy to explain even more. Thank you very much for today. All the best.